Hey everybody, it's Zoe Azubuki with Edge Home Finance. This is your market update, and today we're talking about rates. And we're talking about specifically why rates are rising. So I'm going to give you a really simple explanation as to why rates are rising. The core behind what's really taking place is the change in presidential administration, right? In a Democratic majority Congress, there's a lot of different programs and policies that change when this kind of thing takes place. And at the end of the day, we have stimulus packages, we have relief packages, we have vaccinations going out, we have potential economic stimulated growth because of all these things that also drives up inflation. So all these factors kind of give you a scenario where the government's going to spend more. There's more spending on the government side, and in order to do that, you have to have an issuance of bonds. These bonds are basically what help pay for a lot of these packages. So mortgage rates are tied to bond prices, and when bond prices are lowered, it's because there's a surplus of them going out to pay for all of these services, stimulus packages, programs, etc. So ultimately, when bond prices go down, rates go up. And that's a simple explanation as to why. Next up, let's talk about how we need to respond to that. Ultimately, there's not really anything that we need to overreact to. We don't need to panic. We have to remind ourselves that, historically speaking, we're still in a very low rate environment. I think we got a little spoiled last year when we kind of had this season where it was record low rates. We were locking twos everywhere. It felt like everybody was refinancing. And now we're currently in a situation where we can lock rates in the threes, even with rates increasing over the past month or so. So here's a little bit of perspective for you, okay? 70% of Americans are still in a great position to take advantage of the current rate environment. Like, that's how low the rates still are. In addition to that, I'll tell you this. I've been in the mortgage business for a little over 6 years. The majority of rates that I've personally locked as a loan officer are in the 4s and the 5s. So all that said, we still have a great opportunity to take advantage of low rates. I'm not sure how long they're going to stay where they currently are, but we do know that we have a lot of expert economists basically saying, hey, all the different factors that we're seeing is going to continue driving rates up. So if you would like to have a quote, give me a call. Happy to help any way that I can. I can give you a quote without even running your credit and see if we can help you get situated for either a pre-approval or a refinance quote. So happy to help. Give me a call anytime. Until next time, take care and God bless.